Okay, so this is all like a sequel to my mould video. So I made this mould and it wasn't bad, but there were a few bubbles in it. My first mould, and I went online and I got this. This is stone cast powder, which is basically like a plaster of Paris, but like plaster basically. But it's a little bit finer. It's got material in it. I think it's like carbon fibre and sort of there's bits in it to make it basically a bit stronger. It's sort of almost like slip casting, I guess. Let me just change this so you can actually see a bit better. So you can see there's a lot of bubbles in the mold, but this came out really quick. And actually, if you ignore the bubbles or even concentrate on the bubbles, you can see there's a level of detail here with this, which is really good. It's got a nice weight to it as well. It's a nice material. It casts really fast. Like the packaging says you can take it out of the mold in about 20 minutes, leave it for a few hours before you paint it. I'll probably leave it a day before painting it, but as a fridge magnet, using the 3D print as the positive and making a mold out of it, I think possibly what I could do is make like a whole bunch of these production style, as big as basically like as big as the print plate, with connectors and blah blah blah. But this is literally an experiment just to see how well it worked, and it turned out really well. I've got some resin on the way as well. I'm going to try resin as well. I really like this though. I also like the colour. You know, it's literally, you're just making like, I don't know if you can fire it. I might try that, see if it makes it hard. It's not slip casting like with clay. That would probably be the thing that I'll try next, because then you can actually fire that. But it'll be interesting to see what I can do with the actual material itself, whether if I put it in the oven to dry out or let it dry naturally, what the best move is. But as I can see, I've got to do something about the bubbles. That's really important, because there's a lot. I've touched up a little bit on this side, but got to do something about that. It's very small, but it's like a little fridge magnet. It's got a nice weight to it. I can put the magnet on the back, just glue it onto the back. And what I want to do with the resin one is do like clear resin and put stuff inside and see how that turns out. But the level of detail is very good. I'm very happy. And if you look really closely, let's zoom in, see if we can. If you look super close, you can even just about see, you know, it's a little bit porous. But look at the sharp edges you get on that eye. Bear in mind, these bits have come because the mold actually had bubbles in it. It's quite good. I'm quite pleased with that. More to come, I guess.